Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna talk about Apple AirPods Max. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to DoomTec store. Today I'll be going to give you information about AirPods Max, plus we're gonna unbox it together. Stay tuned. The colors that are available are silver, space gray, sky blue, pink, and green. Let's talk about what are AirPods in general. AirPods are the most popular headphones in the world. Everyone loves them for their incredible sound quality and iconic design. With custom acoustic design combined with powerful H1 chips and advanced software, it enables the AirPods Max to wirelessly deliver the ultimate personal listening experience. Custom acoustic design. From the canopy to the ear cushions, every part of AirPods Max is carefully crafted to provide exceptional acoustic performance. The breathable knit mesh canopy is made to distribute weight and reduce on-head pressure. The stainless steel headband frame provides strength, flexibility, and comfort for a wide variety of head shapes and sizes. Telescoping headband arms smoothly extend and stay in place to maintain desired fit. Each ear cushion uses acoustically engineered memory foam to create an effective seal, a critical factor in delivering immersive sound. So let's break through the listening experience. AirPods Max custom acoustic design features a 40mm dynamic drive and a unique dual neodymium ring magnetic motor. Adaptive equalizer. A feature of AirPods Max is that it adjusts the sound to fit the seal of the ear cushions. It does that by measuring the sound signal delivered to the user and adjusting the low and mid frequencies in real time, thus resulting for it to bring rich audio that captures every detail. Active noise cancellation. AirPods Max deliver immersive sound through the active noise cancellation. Users can focus on what they are listening to. Each ear cup features 3 outward-facing microphones. These microphones serve the purpose to detect environmental noise, while the microphone inside the ear cup monitors the sound reaching to the listener's ear. Transparency mode. It doesn't end there with AirPods Max. Users can switch to transparency mode to listen to music while hearing the environment around them. This includes everything, including user's own voice. Switching between active noise cancellation and transparency mode can be done with a single press. Battery and performance. With AirPods Max features great battery life with up to 20 hours. AirPods Max come with a soft, slim smart case that puts the AirPods Max in ultra power state. This helps to preserve battery charge when not in use. So let's do an unboxing of AirPods Max. When we open the box, we can see the AirPods Max already in the smart case. The box also includes a charging cable, but it does not come with an adapter. To purchase AirPods Max, please visit www.doomtecstore.com. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Thank you for watching.